Today on Forbes, ByteDance doubles down on TikTok Shop, despite threat of US ban. TikTok might be fighting for its life to be able to continue operating in the United States, but that hasn't stopped its China-based parent company ByteDance from betting on its newest growth machine, TikTok Shop. Since the law was passed that threatens to ban TikTok nationwide, TikTok Shop has grown rapidly. Data from Root, an app that millions of online shoppers use to track all their e-commerce purchases in one place, shows a 13% jump in orders from TikTok Shop from April to May, almost double the average monthly increase of 7% since the beginning of this year. And that's after TikTok Shop's first quarter of 2024 for Root customers beat out its last quarter of 2023, when holiday shopping almost always yields the strongest sales on the calendar. When TikTok Shop was introduced in the US last September, it quickly became the internet's new favorite dollar store, setting itself apart from American e-commerce rivals like Amazon by focusing less on common staples and more on cheap, often heavily discounted novelty items and funky special purpose products reflective of the internet trend du jour. TikTok says it had more than 500,000 shop sellers in the US at the end of 2023. By the beginning of 2024, it was gunning to grow Shop tenfold in the US to some $17.5 billion in sales, per Bloomberg, making it a core part of TikTok's overall business that some estimate to be worth more than $100 billion. Creator agency founder Eric DeHaan, whose LA-based Mighty Joy helps brands grow through influencer marketing on TikTok Shop, told Forbes that, quote, "From a creator and brand standpoint, it's all been going up and to the right." He noted that one positive indicator of Shop's success was that after TikTok initially covered the costs of steep discounts on many Shop products, which was a strategy that incentivized customers to buy and brands to join the platform in the first place, TikTok eased off those subsidies and started taking a bigger cut of merchants' sales in April. He said, quote, "That was a really big signal that they're so confident in the adoption by brands that they can start charging." Even after the divest or ban law passed in late April, ByteDance didn't slow down. Instead, it reportedly halted expansion of TikTok Shop in Europe in May to pour resources into tightening its grip on the American market. TikTok now appears to be hiring hundreds of employees in the US to support those efforts, according to job listings for TikTok Shop posted on the company's career page and LinkedIn. They include TikTok Shop product managers, creator specialists, intellectual property experts, moderation or recommendation staffers, and even personnel, quote, "responsible for establishing and maintaining effective relationships with key regulators in the United States," and, quote, "shaping TikTok Shop's approach to regulator engagement." Many of the open TikTok Shop job postings say, quote, "The commerce industry has seen tremendous growth in recent years and has become a hotly contested space among leading internet companies. Its future growth cannot be underestimated." Creators and others in the industry also began sensing that TikTok's algorithm was boosting posts that promoted TikTok Shop and throttling posts that did not. DeHaan said people were, quote, "suspecting that TikTok is artificially only rewarding Shop content to encourage more people to post it, so it seems like it's a really concerted effort across TikTok to push Shop aggressively." And, he said, quote, "coupling that with people saying that they're seeing a lot more products in their feed than before, I think it's clear that they're very heavily invested in this." ByteDance's efforts appear to have paid off so far. The fact that TikTok Shop has largely gained momentum since President Biden signed the divest or ban bill shows just how little regulatory scrutiny has deterred the platform's popularity in the US. A ban isn't a foregone conclusion. TikTok could still be sold, though it's unlikely, or the company could successfully fight off the ban in court. A DC appeals court will hear arguments challenging the potential TikTok ban on September 16th. For full coverage, check out Alexandra S. Levine's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.